You need TikTok account in 2025. Honestly, believe it or not, TikTok is the first social media page that I actually make money from, and this is the best way you can actually go for as well. Even if you don't have a lot of followers, you can still make money from your TikTok accounts. Trust me, making money from TikTok accounts is easy than you might even think of. Now let me show you exactly what you're going to be doing. Even if you don't have a lot of followers, I'm still going to be giving you options that you can actually go for to make money from your TikTok accounts. Now let's dive in. If you're seeing for the very first time, I'm Hamdullah. What we do here is talking how to make money online and offline business ideas and tips. If that is what you are interested in, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's dive in into today's video. So the very first way you're going to be making money from your TikTok account is selling service. You can also sell product as well, but selling service is actually the best way. You don't need any 5 naira, like you don't need any combo to start that. For instance, now let's use beauty or skincare page for an example. If you're always talking about skincare, maybe recommending skincare to people, you can even make use of the skincare product that works for you in the past and the one that does not work for you. Just make a comment from them, and the people will always drop a comment in the comment section that which of the one did you like, can you recommend the skincare products for me. You can put in your bio that for consultation it's not free, or maybe don't just put that consultation is not free. You can just say click in the link in my bio for consultation, and once they click in the link, maybe that directs them to your WhatsApp, and then you open a welcome message. You know, you might, there's always an option for welcome message for your new, like what's it called, your new clients or new visitors or anything that actually someone that first DM you on your WhatsApp. Then you put it there that consultation is blah blah, welcome to blah 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 place, consultation fees blah blah blah. Did you what which service, these are the service we render, we do this, we do that, we do this, you know, stuff like that. And people will always say, okay, I'm here for consultation, and this is, you tell them 5,000 naira is for consultation. And people who want solution for their skin, trust me, will always want a solution. They will pay for that consultation because they know that you are good at what you do. Okay, so you don't have to be perfect, just have to give it a try. If you don't try, you don't know which one is going to work for you. Now let's move to number 2. The second option here is working with artists. TikTok actually has an option on their page that deals with artists, working with artists. But if you don't have a lot of followers, you cannot do this. If you don't have a lot of followers, you cannot do this. If you have up to like 10,000 followers, you can go for that option. Okay, and let's move to the third one, which is going live on TikTok. A lot of people know this. Everybody knows that they make money from live through gifts and stuff like that. If you don't have a lot of followers and if you're not doing something entertaining, people will want to watch. If you want to go live, make sure you're doing something entertaining to get more people to watch, and the more people watch, the more gifts you are going to be getting. The next on my list is referral program. Trust me, TikTok also have a referral program, but it does not work in Nigeria here. It only works for some certain country. I'm going to be pasting the list of the country that work with TikTok referral program on the screen. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. If you are in Nigeria, don't worry about that. So if you are in Nigeria, don't worry about the referral program. Okay, the other way you can actually make money as a Nigerian using your TikTok account is partnership with brand. And mind you, if you don't have up to 10,000 followers, you cannot go for that. Okay, so for those that have 1,000 followers, you can go for service, you can sell products, you can sell affiliate marketing, which is my last option. Affiliate marketing, you don't have to have 1,000 followers. Just know what your audience wants, know the problem, know their problem, and start selling solutions to them. Just give value. Value is the most important thing. Just give value to them, and they will always want to know more about what you are doing on your page and check your profile and buy the course they want on StayCut. You can go on Seller actually is not free. StayCut is free. So that will be end of today's video, guys. See you on my next video, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, follow and share for more. Bye. See you on my next video.